TGNA stock analysis and price predictions for Tuesday. Is TEGNA stock a buy? I guess that's how you pronounce it or whatever. I'm going to be breaking this down in this brief and short 1-minute video. Now, especially looking at this, I'm still going to stick to my strategy that I've tested for 45,000 videos over 5 years. And how things are specifically looking like for me is... yeah, it's a solid bullish market, I'll give it that. It definitely seems like it's wanting to aim for the top. I will roll with that, but what I'm not going to do is just randomly start buying. So, because we made this big gap, I will just be hoping I see the price pull down and give me a shift. But I'm not going to be looking to take it further up. Simple, you know, and all I'm doing in the meantime is I'm just waiting for bulls. So that's how TGNA is looking like. By the way, if you want to get free money making emails and insights, daily stock picks, emails, all that good jazz, click the first link in the description, it's free.